All right, so val cannot be changed, so how can we change something? Well, we can declare it using the var keyword. And I can assign something age to be equals to whatever, 30. Now, since I have declared it using the var keyword, this means that I can go ahead and change the age to 56 or age to 78 and so on. I can go also and increment age by just 1 by using the plus 1 plus equals to operator. All right. Now, the question is, when you assign this age 30 to this age variable, what will be the data type of this variable? Because we haven't really set up any data type. We're not saying that this is integer or string. We can, I mean, we can do something like this, and that's perfectly fine. But in this case, it's kind of like unnecessary because Kotlin is a smart language and it can infer the types, meaning it will look at the value on the right-hand side of the equal to sign and it will say, you know what, yeah, it's going to be integer. But if I go ahead and change this to 30.0, now you can see, look at the message. The integer literal does not conform to the expected type double. So now age is not an integer, it's a double. If I go ahead and change this to 30, now what it is? It's a string now. Look at that message again. The integer literal does not conform to the expected type string. So Kotlin is a very smart language. It can actually infer the types by just looking at the value of the type. It can tell that, okay, yeah, it looks like a string, so I'm gonna assign a string type. So this age will be a string type. Now I don't really want it to be string, so I can simply assign 30, and now it will be an integer type because this 30 is integer, not a double, not a string, not a boolean, right? Great. So that is all about constants and var.